Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be taking you through step-by-step on how to download Cobo Wallet in this tutorial. First, open Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the top. Then type in Cobo Wallet app. Then tap Search. This is the app that we will be downloading. Tap on it. Then tap on Install. Now let it download. When the download is finished, tap Open. This is the process for downloading into your Cobo Wallet app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.